How to custom emojis on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to custom emojis on your Snapchat. So first thing you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your avatar, and then go to the top corner again and click on this settings option. After that, scroll down until you find customize emojis. Now click on it, and right here you can custom your emojis easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.